1st October 2025 Ginni hopes Anjali triumphs over Raghav in the courtroom. In the meantime, Anjali grapples with thugs to get Aman to court as the hearing starts with Ganesh interrogating Vinod. October 2, 2025 The Rajputs are stunned when Anjali brings Aman into the court. Later, as Raghav begins questioning the unconscious Aman, he remains silent. Anjali then pleads with him to wake up. October 3, 2025 Abhay feels devastated when Anjali reveals her feelings for Aman as he wakes up. In the meantime, Raghav cautions Anjali as she promises to triumph in the case against him. October 4, 2025 Raghav cautions Ginni about Abhay. Later, Padma goes to see Yuvraj in prison and shares her thoughts regarding him and his family. October 5, 2025 Padma reveals her feelings for Yuvraj and he comforts her by saying he will marry her as soon as he is released from prison. Subsequently, Ganesh and Raghav get into a conflict. October 6, 2025 Aman confesses his feelings for Anjali and they experience a loving moment together. Subsequently, Sapna learns about Abhay's proposal to Ginni. October 7, 2025 Anjali encourages Aman to walk and feels happy as she observes his determination. Subsequently, Raghav comforts Kavya by promising to take Anjali out of Aman's life. October 8, 2025 Aman warns Kavya not to interfere between him and Anjali. He then confesses his love for Anjali. Later, Sapna urges Raghav to complete Anjali and Aman's unfinished wedding. October 9, 2025 As Bhajan tries to insult Sapna, she firmly warns him of Anjali's wrath. Meanwhile, Raghav pressures Ginni to follow his orders for Abhay and vows to defeat Anjali in court. October 10, 2025 Aman seeks permission from Raghav to allow Anjali to return home. Meanwhile, Chandrabhan tells Yuvraj about Kavya and Aman's vacation plans. October 11, 2025 Ginni requests Sapna and Ganesh to agree with the Rajputs' arrangements for the wedding. In the meantime, Raghav accepts Aman and Anjali's marriage. October 12, 2025 Raghav insists that Anjali keep her distance from the courtroom if she prefers he not pursue Yuvraj's case. Subsequently, Bhajan discloses his scheme against Anjali and Aman. October 13, 2025 Bhajan informs Anjali that soon she will become the Rajput family's daughter-in-law. Later, he tells Raghav that Anjali is wary of them. October 14, 2025 Aman confides in his sisters about his intimate dream with Anjali. Meanwhile, Raghav and Ginni discuss upcoming nuptial traditions for the couple. October 15, 2025 Bhajan spikes Aman's drink, as a result of which he loses consciousness. Later, Bhajan tells Raghav that Anjali will fall prey to their plans. October 16, 2025 Mehak discovers the reality of Raghav's scheme for Aman and Kavya's marriage. In the meantime, Gaurav seeks information from Ginni regarding Raghav's scheme against Aman's marriage. October 17, 2025 Anjali takes a firm stand and decides to fight the thugs by herself. In the meantime, Yuvraj gets out on bail and gives a stern warning to Padma. October 18, 2025 Yuvraj threatens to abduct Padma and later traps her, but Anjali comes to her rescue. In the meantime, Raghav declines to recognize Anjali and Aman's marriage. October 19, 2025 When Yuvraj tries to insult Padma, An infuriated Anjali intervenes and confronts him. In the meantime, Ganesh and Sapna question the Rajput family. October 20th, 2025 Ganesh and Sapna are left startled when Raghav announces Griha Pravesh for Kavya. In the meantime, Aman suddenly disappears. October 21st, 2025 Raghav is taken aback when Anjali confronts him and questions him about the attack. Meanwhile, Sapna and Ganesh find out something shocking. October 22nd, 2025 After completing the unfinished ritual with Aman, Anjali promises to seek justice for the attack against her and come back to the Rajput house. October 23rd, 2025 Yuvraj boldly threatens Anjali, swearing to kill her and abduct Padma. Subsequently, Anjali requests Pankaj to locate Naveen, the person who assaulted her. October 24th, 2025 When Anjali and Aman get married, Gaurav gives her a necklace. In the meantime, an infuriated Raghav confronts Ginni and demands that she must leave the house. October 25th, 2025 Abhay and Raghav find out from Ginni that she has assigned her case to Anjali. However, Raghav confronts Anjali in a bid to stop her from fighting the case. October 26th, 2025 After Raghav and Anjali's conversation, Ginni confronts the latter and questions her. In the meantime, Raghav makes a request to Aman. October 27th, 2025 Aman accepts Raghav's case and decides to fight it in court. In the meantime, Abhay decides to oust Ginni but Anjali takes a stand for her. October 28th, 2025 Ginni finds herself in a spot of bother when an infuriated Abhay ousts her from the house. Meanwhile, Anjali promises Ginni that she will get her justice. October 29th, 2025 The Rajput family wishes Aman luck as he heads to court for his first case. Later, Anjali is taken aback when she sees Aman representing Abhay in the divorce case. October 30th, 2025 Anjali confronts Aman for representing Abhay as a lawyer in the ongoing case. Meanwhile, Raghav and Abhay manipulate Aman to win the case. October 31st, 2025 Things get out of control when Anjali confronts Aman and takes a firm stand. Later, Gaurav finds out from Aman that the latter was not aware that he was fighting a case against Anjali.